A common problem is those fans stop working, and this is something that you can do yourself. First, we'll start by cleaning all the deposits that over the years have collected into the device.
Yeah, I have 2 hands.
Both the fan and the light are attached with 2 small plugs. You need to remove both plugs. Clean all the dirt from every surface. This is a good opportunity to make this cleaning job, since everything is apart.
The motor still doesn't work. We find it works now.
Double check the motor operation, because sometimes removing it might be enough to dislodge whatever was keeping it from working.
Yeah, as you see, the motor still doesn't work. So it's time to replace it. We went to the store and we bought a replacement motor. This is about $14.
This is a universal replacement motor and can be found in any big box store like Lowe's or Home Depot.
Hopefully it will be the right motor for our application. And it looks like it is. Excellent.
Simply insert the plastic blade into the metal spoke, and that's all you have to do to assemble the motor.
Alright, let's check this motor that it works. Always check something that you bought so you don't go back to reassemble everything only to find out that it doesn't work. Excellent. So we have a working motor. So to remove the motor from the plate is pretty straightforward. There are 2 nuts here. And you remove them. This big stub has nothing to do with the motor itself. It actually has to do with holding the housing. So it stays where it is. This is the old motor. And as you can see, I don't know if we need to put it more in. I'm upside down now. Like always. So you use the 2 nuts that you had before. It doesn't come with nuts. They're kind of small, so first hand tighten them. and then just tighten them a little bit more to make sure that this plate will not be moving, that the motor will not be moving around and making a lot of noise. There's an opening here, and you need to put the plug through the opening so you can plug it in the receptacle, and you have a brand new, ready to use. Alright, now let's go back in the bathroom and install it. Reverse the installation.
Start over.
So now what all we have to do is reverse the installation, install the fan up there.
Never try to force something. If it doesn't feel right, simply stop and retry. There are two tabs to the left side and a screw on the right side, and you have to line those up.
No, it isn't clearing. So we need to make some small
The
adjustments.
motor felt tight, so I had to press it a little more down the metal spoke in order to clear the top of the housing, and that's what I'm doing here.
Alright. Is there a screw somewhere there? Connect with a screwdriver.
Having an assistant to hand you things make it as much easier and prevent you from going up and down the ladder.
Okay.
Be sure to plug the plugs before you continue, because it will become impossible after you put all the parts together. Take some time to ensure the fit of everything. That will save you time in the long run.
No. Was it like this? Do you remember? Yeah, it had to be like this, right? All right, hold on. Hold on.
The parts are keyed, so there is no way you can make a mistake here.
Right, can you turn the light off and turn this on?
Even though we're not doing anything with electricity, it's always a good idea to turn off the circuit while you are working, in case it is not correctly grounded or there is a short somewhere.
Come on. Okay. There is a little butterfly nut there. Yes, thank you. It's kind of hard because you have to hold it and turn it at the same time. Stopped.
Can you make it straight?
There is a, it was never straight, so no, I cannot, because that's how the opening is.
It's just twisted slightly, honey. Can you twist it back?
I don't understand what you're saying.
When you were screwing the screw, it went from being straight to being slightly not straight.
It cannot be straight. It was never straight.
That's what I was asking you to do.
I cannot.
What you just did.
All right, turn the lights on, please. And the fan. And we now have a working fan. Is to install the light cover. And now you have a working fixture, both light and fan is operational. I hope this was a useful video. Please like, subscribe and share. And I will see you next week. Bye.